Hey everyone! So today I want to show you unboxing Platinum American, not Platinum American, Platinum American Express card, which I got, well, essentially this morning, I guess. So I applied Wednesday night. So Friday they sent me email that they ship my American Express Platinum card. So, well, I pick up it today at my leasing office. So it comes in a box like that. It's UPS plastic bag, I guess. So inside of that, it looks kind of like a book. So it's sized like pretty much like that. So let's unpack it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of hard to open that plastic bag. Okay. Oh, nice. Look at that. So it's kind of like that. It's box. See? Here's your name. Well, essentially it's my name, not yours. It's my name. What they say, Dmitry, and then my address, and yeah, well, like that. Okay. Let me see what they say now. Oh, okay. Same address. So, yeah, box like that. So in the back side, you will see that stuff. That's peanut. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's beautiful, right? So it's, yep. So they say, welcome to Platinum. And that's kind of cool. It's kind of like a wood stuff. See that? Right? So here's some information stuff. Oh yeah, here's another mail. I guess it's for disclosure stuff. Yeah. So I don't know about that. Oh, never mind. Card member agreement, which says $550 per year annual fee. So some other stuff which we're gonna learn later. So here's the disclosure. Who cares about that, right? Here's another card member agreement part 2. Oh my gosh, how many pages? I don't know, like 12? Nah, not interested. Okay. Oh my god, this is another. Look at that. Can you read it? No? Me neither. Why are you doing like that? Who cares? Never mind, just throw it away. So, yeah, now let's do next. So here's some, like a little hole, and you could just put your finger in it, and there you go. This is a essentially card, so it has a chip. Okay, backside look like that. So there is no number; it's still a sticker on it. So and they say like, okay, call to this number to activate it. Oh my gosh, it's kind of heavy. Yeah, it's kind of heavy. I mean, it's real. It's really made from metal or something. I don't know. It's not like plastic card. It's kind of like, yeah, it's pretty heavy. So let me see what they have. And the box itself is not really light. Yeah, look at that. It's cool stuff, right? I can keep it. Cool. And here's another stuff. So welcome to Platinum. I don't know what's that. Oh, look at that. They give you an idea how to use that stuff. So you can put your phone. Oh, nice. See? You can do it like that. So if you have a phone, where's my phone? There you go. You can do like that. Yep. So it's kind of cool stuff. Yeah? Cool? Yep, American Express. There you go. Thank you. So what they say, okay, let's stop it. Blah blah blah. Okay, cool. Imagine the possibilities that you have with that card. Okay, cool. Okay. I don't know what's that. Another information if you're interested. Another one. Another one. I need to research it and read it carefully. Yeah. I know. Get the most of your hotel stays. Okay, we will get it. Don't worry. Okay, make your travel reservation. Blah blah blah. And share the love, of course. That's what I do. Sharing the love. Alright. There you go. This is amazing. Thank you.